Alaha here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you're an existing subscriber, how you doing? Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. So today I'm going to be filming for you a Get Unready with me. You guys request that I always update you when I update my skincare routine, and for the last 7 weeks I've been going with a brand new skincare routine that I have absolutely fallen in love with. I primarily use this at night before going to bed. It is an absolutely amazing system. It's only 3 steps and it's helped my skin tremendously. Today I'll be speaking to you about the Cureology skincare system. It is absolutely amazing. Again, I've fallen in love with it and it's really helped out my skin. So we're gonna go ahead and take off our makeup, and why am I saying our like I'm more than one person? I'm gonna go ahead and take off my makeup and I will show you guys the products that I use to do that, and then I'm gonna show you how I use these products. They're super simple, very easy to use, and it saves me a lot of time. So I actually look forward to doing my skincare routine now because it's so simplified. So yeah, if you guys want to learn about my new and improved skincare routine, then please stay tuned. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And also thank you to Cureology for partnering up with me on this video. As always, I don't agree to any partnerships until I'm absolutely in love with the product. You guys know this. You guys know this about me. I will always only talk about the products that are near and dear to my heart. So that being said, let's jump right on into this getting unready with me. The first thing I like to do is take off my makeup with the Dermalogica Pre-cleanse oil. You can use any cleansing oil. Doesn't have to be this one. This one's a little pricey, but you can literally use anything else. And I just pour this all over my face and I massage it in and rub off all of my makeup and melt it all away. Now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this all off, and I will be right back to show you the next step. Now that all the makeup is removed off my face, I like to go in with my Curology Cleanser. This is a brand new bottle. I had the previous bottle, which is, where is it? The little one here, and I just finished this. That's the second bottle I went through. I applied the cleanser to my Clarisonic facial brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cleanse my face with this. As you can see, the cleanser removed makeup that was on my face that the oil did not remove. I'm just gonna rinse off this cleanser and I'll be right back to continue with the next few steps. My skin feels so nice, plump, and clean now, and we haven't even put the moisturizer on. Next, I'm going to be going in with this Cureology custom bottle here. This is customized to my skin here, and I'll tell you a little bit about the process later on. But basically, this has 4% niacinamide, 0.009% tretinoin, and 2% tranexamic acid. So niacinamide is an antioxidant that reduces wrinkles and dark spots. Tretinoin is one of the most effective ingredients that helps treat wrinkles, and it also helps boost the collagen in your skin. And the tranexamic acid helps lighten dark spots and soothe the redness in your skin, which I have a lot of redness, especially in this area here. So it helps reduce the redness in my skin, which is very important to me because on days that I don't wear makeup, I don't want to look like Pinocchio with a red ass nose. You know what I'm saying? So these ingredients are adjusted based on what your skin needs, and I'll tell you how they determine that later on in the video. So I just take a pump of this onto my hand, rub it into my fingers to warm it up a little, and then I apply a thin layer onto my face. And lastly, I go in with the Cureology Moisturizer. This is just a regular moisturizer. They also have this moisturizer available in the Rich Moisturizer for those of you that have extremely dry skin. I actually went ahead and switched over my next bottle that's coming in to the Rich one because this time of year I get extremely dry in my face. So I'm gonna be going with the Rich Moisturizer when the new bottle comes in. I'm just gonna apply a pump of this onto my hands again, and rub it through my face. It's very hydrating and it feels really nice on the skin. And that's it. That's my entire skincare routine. It's super, super easy. And now I'm gonna tell you guys about this skincare system and how you can get signed up for it. So to get started with Cureology, you go onto Curology.com, you take a skincare quiz that is very detailed and it asks you your skin types, your problems, your concerns, all of that. Then you let them know what your goals are for your skin. And lastly, you send them pictures of your face, without any makeup on, of course. You send them pictures of your face, your right profile, and your left profile, and you send it, and they have a dermatology provider that actually assesses your skin, looks at your pictures, and comes up with a custom blend depending on what your concerns are. So then you're paired with a human provider, not a robot, okay? And they analyze your skin and design a custom formula that is specifically for you. So as I mentioned before, mine was niacinamide, tretinoin, and tranexamic acid, but yours could be something completely different. So these percentages are adjusted based on your skincare needs. I told you what the ingredients were for. So this is really the magic bottle here. This is what makes all the difference in the world. The thing that I love about Cureology is my formula is customized for me. I can't get this anywhere else. This is my formula. It's not one size fits all. That's not how it is. Everybody's skin is different and everybody deserves their own formula. It was designed by a licensed dermatology provider based on my photos and my skin assessment, which is super important because if Sally has a bunch of pimples on her face and she has a cream that's working for her, that doesn't mean that that cream is gonna work for me, right? I need my own treatment plan. I don't wanna just do what everybody else is doing or use what everybody else is using, which is why I've been loving Cureology. They're completely cruelty-free and vegan, which makes me feel really, really good about the company. So it's usually $20 a month. However, for a limited time, they're letting you try your first bottle for free, and all you have to pay for is the shipping fee, which is $4.95. Also, it's totally risk-free because they do offer a money-back guarantee. So really, there's no harm in trying it to see how it works for you. I will include the link for your free bottle down in the description bar below, so you guys can give it a try. I really do see a huge improvement in my skin. It's already so much firmer. I really don't have wrinkles, and when I go to events and things like that, all the other influencers and people, they're like, holy your skin really does look like that in real life. And after this summer, it didn't. Like, it really did not look that great because I was out in the sun literally all day long. I got super, super tan, and I know I did a lot of damage to my skin. So I'm really, really happy with them, and I love the fact that it's only 3 steps. It's not like a 45-minute skincare routine, and it's also not breaking the bank. I know a lot of you in my last couple of videos, you're like, we can't afford those products. Like, it's too expensive, and to have to get them monthly, like, that's just impossible for us to do. So that's why I'm so glad that I found an affordable yet effective skincare plan. And also keep in mind that it's not just the product, it's a full-on service that you're getting. You get to go online and talk to your dermatology provider and talk to them about your concerns, your current skincare routine, what you were trying to do, what your goal is, and all of that. So there's really nothing like it out in the market. So I'm really happy to say that the formula comes straight to your door every month, and you don't have to worry about going to the store or running out. And you know what's total insanity is that this bottle alone costs more than 2 months of this, which is crazy because it's that inexpensive. So really, you got nothing to lose. So yeah, try it out. Let me know how it works for you. Send me a DM, drop a comment down below. Let me know if you've tried it or you've heard of it or you're going to try it. I would love to hear your thoughts and your feedback. And remember, I don't ever partner with a product unless I absolutely 100% wholeheartedly love and believe in it. So that's why I partnered up with Cureology today. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're not following me already, please go ahead and follow me on all my other social media outlets. I have Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All of that is at MAKEUPBYALAHA. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for staying until the very end. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!